Good morning, guys. How are you? So it's a beautiful sunny day and me and the girls are just working on getting our house a little bit cleaned up and organized. My throat is still hurting, but I feel like a little bit better. I did sleep in and Kylie helped with the baby so that I could get a little bit of extra rest. I was not having much luck getting to sleep last night just because my throat was hurting so bad, but I slept in a little bit and now we're just working on some projects around the house. We got laundry and sweeping, and I'm doing a really fun like responsibility chart, I guess is what I'll call it, for the girls, and it's going to be to help them with their daily tasks. That way they're not constantly having to be reminded. If they have a question about what they need to be doing, they can go look at the chart and it will tell them. So I'll show you guys that. And we already had this whiteboard. It's pretty big. I don't know exactly how big it is. It's about, I would say 24 by 36. That's an estimate, but it's pretty big. And I bought some supplies from Target. So to make this chart, I'm going to be using 4 different colors of this fabric tape. It's kind of like washi tape, except for it is fabric. And I thought these were really pretty. And then I got this roll of magnetic tape. And then the rest is just the board and some markers that I already had. So the only thing that I needed to buy was this magnetic tape and these. And I'll show you guys when it's done how it looks.
Mommy's making a fruit and veggie smoothie. Yum. Taste, smell it. Smoothie. That's good. Look at it. His kids are gonna come.
It's kind of dark in here. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna have a green smoothie. I've made these before in videos, so if you're interested in what we put in them, leave a comment down below and I will show you. So I'm just working on the little responsibility chart still, and baby boy's taking a nap. He was not feeling good. He was fighting sleep. Thank goodness for the yoga ball. That thing puts him out every single time. So when we go to Vegas, I know I'm going to have to take it with me because I don't think I can do a week without the yoga ball. It just, anytime he's extra fussy, if I just swaddle him and bounce on that real lightly, he's out in just a couple minutes. So, poor sweet boy. I love you, Riker. I love you, son. You're so sweet. But look, you guys. We've got grass. Well, it's not grass yet, but it's been hydro-seeded. So I think we have like a total of 8,000 square feet that is getting grass. And this is on one side of the house. Our driveway is right there. And the other side of the house isn't done yet. But I'm so excited. So I'm going to have to take, we've got some really dark clouds up here, as you can see. And there was some thunder. So I'm thinking it's going to rain, which that would be awesome because after you get the hydro seed down, you have to water it twice a day. So if it would rain, that would be amazing because that means I don't have to go out there today. But if it doesn't rain, I'll get all the hoses and sprinklers set up and take it out there. Anyways, I'm still working on this and watching some YouTube. So I have the magnets covered with the fabric tape, and now I'm going to cut these into little squares. And then I'm going to use these to section off the board, and I'll show you guys when it's done. Who's that? Hey guys! Whoa! Careful! So this little boy just woke up from his nap just in time for me to finish the chore chart. I wanted to show you guys. I just finished it. Madeline, you want to tell them what it says?
It says chore.
weather appropriate
Yes.
outfit.
Eat your breakfast, yo. Go give mom a big hug.
It says, eat yo breakfast, yo.
And then, after give mommy a big hug, wait for 30 minutes.
You don't sound very happy about that.
Yeah, I don't like reading.
You don't like reading?
No.
Well, you need to learn to like it because you're going to do a lot of it.
Oh, and then, what does that one do?
Writing assignments.
Writing assignments.
Yep, your one-page writing assignment.
Ready for bed. 34. What did you write 34?
Nope, ready for bed by 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
And then your daily chore, which you girls know what
And then-
those are.
And then
Dishes and trash.
each time we get it done, we'll do this. That's Kylie's. Natalie's. And then mine.
Good girl. Isn't that so cool? So Daddy's going to hang that up somewhere where all three of you girls can reach it. And hopefully that will keep you girls on track to get done what you need to get done. And then the other side of the board, I might do some kind of verse that you need to think of that week or something like that. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You want Mama to open that for you? What are we going to eat? Pear and mango.
Yes, he's learning.
He really likes these plum organic pouches, so they're kind of messy out of the pouch, so I just squeeze them into a bowl and then spoon feed it. Huh? Yeah! You gonna eat some food? Wow, look at that crazy downpour. The girls went out to play in the rain. I wish I could go out with them, but this camera's not rainproof and we don't know where the GoPro is.
Mommy, what are we having for dinner?
Chicken,
Chicken.
wild rice, and corn.
Yes. Chicken, wild rice, and corn.
Yep.
I'm only gonna get the wild rice and the chicken.
You're allergic to the corn.
Corn. I think I told them at the movie
Mama
theater.
made lots of rice.
I made 2 cups.
Yep, she did. And
And I'm gonna have avocado and cottage cheese.
avocado and cottage cheese for mommy. Well, we are making. We're making brownies.
We're making brownies.
Yes, they're cooking in the oven now.
Bacon.
Yes, we are making some brownies.
Bacon, I got bacon.
Yeah, make some bacon with the dinner.
Bacon brownies.
Bacon brownies. Bacon brownies. Okay, so Mikey's sleeping. I know I better go to the office. So yeah, so she's sleeping. I gotta be really quiet when I'm vlogging. Yummy.
Oh, nummy. It's nighttime, yo. Yo, it's nighttime, yo.
It's nighttime, yo. It's nighttime, yo. Like look.
It's nighttime, yo.
Like he always likes this.
He does.
Listen to my dope flow.
He only likes it if it has some brownie.
Yo. So we're changing our bed sheets
Again.
every night. Don't you guys change your bed sheets every night?
Because your baby formula always spills.
For some reason, a crib and a bassinet and everything else for the baby is not.
You
where
go
the
sleep in
baby
the crib. He sleeps right by his mama where he belongs.
sleeps. No.
I'll sleep in the crib.
Riker, there's nothing wrong with this bed, is there? Nope.
There wasn't until it's all full of formula stains now.
Well,
Anyways, so I got this stuff. It's really good. It's Elixir of Dreams Pillow Mist, Valerian, and Lavender.
Okay.
What?
It's a roofie spray.
Roofie? What are you talking about, roofie?
Why every time you put your head on the pillow, it passes out.
It's really.
It smells really good though. It's essential
Sponsored by Bill
oils.
Cosby.
What? My husband is on drugs. Can you tell?
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Like, can you say, yes, he is?
Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's by Earth Therapeutics, Mind and Body.
And
Therapy.
Madeline and Natalie.
Yeah, so I don't know if today's vlog is good or not because I can't remember everything that we vlogged.
We vlogged us,
Playing in the rain.
yes, and then showing
That
the.
should be the first part of the video.
What?
Us playing in the rain.
That should be the first. I should mix it up and not start in the morning. Start in the midday and then go back to morning and then tonight.
Yeah.
Just confuse them really
Like a
bad.
sequel to a prequel to an actual.
A trilogy.
Well, no, you can't do that.
Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Kylie is at her BFF's having a sleepover.
Natalie, like me, she's at my house having a sleepover.
Yeah, her friend's name is Natalie, a
Yeah.
different Natalie.
But-
What are you doing? Is that your new iPad or the old one?
That's the old one.
What do you guys do with your old iPads and computers? We have a couple laying around the house, and I'm trying to get rid of stuff.
Stop.
I don't like extra stuff, but I kind of feel weird throwing them in the trash. So, what do you do with them? Leave a comment down below and let us know, and we will see you tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Say good night.
Good night.
Bye. Wait, no.
I end the
No,
vlog.
together.
Good night. Bye. Extra great.